Well, hello everybody, Jim here with Totally Relaxed. I'm back, and I'm not doing a short video, as you can tell, because if y'all did see my short the other day about getting the van back, well, you already know where I'm sitting right now. I'm in the van, and I am happy to report that it is hot outside, and the mosquitoes are terrible, but I'm inside this camper and the air conditioner is wonderful. It is wonderful. I'm loving it. My old truck's jealous now because this van's got air conditioner and he don't. But anyway, yeah, I got it yesterday. Today's Sunday, the 9th, and I went yesterday and my neighbor took me over and I picked it up, and from there I went straight over to the discount tire and I put on 4 brand new tires and bought a brand new spare, and it's sitting back here on the bed right now. There ain't no bed, it's just a wooden platform, but that's where it's at right now. And then from there I went and washed it, and after that I went and got it inspected. And I'm so used to paying that high dollar fee for the oh shoot, what do they call it? I can't think of the name of it, but anyway, it's about 30 bucks here in Houston. And it only cost me $7 to inspect this one, so that was pretty nice. Didn't have to worry about asking about a veteran discount or nothing like that, or no old man discount. But anyway, I tell you what, it feels real good to have new rubber underneath this thing. And supposedly they did a tune-up on it, but I don't know. I've got my doubts because. You know how a carburetor sounds, guys, when you crank it up and it's out of time just a little bit and it pops? Well, that's what this was doing, and it was doing that before I ever took it to him. Now, supposedly he put all new wires and give it a tune-up and new plugs and the whole 9 yards, but I don't know. I haven't taken the doghouse off yet to look at the engine to tell or not, because you can't tell nothing from the hood up there. But anyway, and he fixed the headlights that wasn't working before at all, but I come out here last night, turned them on, and the high beams aren't working. And he got the windows fixed on both sides now. They roll up and down, but when the mechanic put the switches back in on the driver's side, to roll the window down on the driver's side, you have to push the button down instead of, to get it down, you got to push the button going up instead of down. You got the wires crossed or something. But anyway, you know, just minor stuff. You'd think after all the money I give him, that, and after it sat over there for 2 months, that all that would be fixed. But it wasn't. The cigarette lighter plug wasn't working when I got home yesterday, so I had to go to AutoZone a while ago and buy some fuses, and I fixed that problem. So anyway, you know, it's kind of aggravating. I don't know what it is with these places nowadays. They want your money, they make you wait to get your stuff done, and then when you get it done, when you get it back, you got to take it back to them again. I don't know. It's crazy. But anyway, I'm happy that I got it back, and tomorrow I'm gonna make a appointment with National Tire and Battery and have the front end aligned, and I know it's going to need some new parts underneath there, so there's going to be some more money. But I got to have it done though. You know, when I was driving this thing home yesterday, even with the new rubber, either the wind was blowing awful hard or that front end is just kind of loose, for lack of better words. But anyway, I've been out here this morning just vacuuming it out, putting fuses in, and just kind of dinking around, you know, and everything. And that radio I showed y'all the other day on that other video, that cheap radio I bought at Amazon, I'm gonna go have it put in because I don't have a faceplate to fit this dash, so I'm gonna have to go to a radio shop and have them put it in. So, but all in all, you know, I mean, I'm happy to get it back, and I'll be even happier when I get the title in my name. So, I got the van, I got the tires, got it inspected, and I'm gonna go have the front end fixed tomorrow, hopefully, or this week anyway, or this coming week anyway. And then from there, I'm gonna go to a title company and try to get the title transferred over instead of fighting the courthouse here in Houston. You gotta have an appointment to even get in there. And 4 months ago, I got online and they were like booked up for 2 months, and there's no way that you can do an advance appointment, you know, for the next month or whenever one's available. They won't even show the next month. So I'm gonna go to a title company and hopefully they can get it done for me. And then after that, I'm gonna go over to Mako and throw $1,000 cheap paint job on it. I'm not gonna get real fancy with a paint job because, you know, out there in the desert, it's gonna get, the sun's gonna beat it up anyway. So, but I think I'm thinking about painting the thing solid white. I don't know, solid white. Y'all leave some comments down there in the bottom and tell me what color you think it ought to be. I don't want a dark color because it'll fade, like red. Well, first of all, red is a cop attention getter, and I don't need that. And also it fades so bad, you know, different colors, blue and red and black and all that. But I want something that'll stay cool, you know, while I'm out there in the sun, and you know what I'm trying to say. But anyway, like I said, I'm happy she's home. I'm glad Honey's home, and I just want to share this with y'all. It's been a while since y'all seen my old ugly mug, so I thought I would treat y'all today. Today's Sunday, and like I said, and the Houston Texans are playing in there right now. They've been playing for about 10 minutes, so I'm gonna go back in there and watch the game, kick back, and I guess eat some popcorn and drink some water, I guess. Come out here and fool around a little bit later on in here. But anyway, I hope y'all are doing well. I hope everybody's happy, and I hope everybody's enjoying their trips around the country. And for all of you folks that have never been to my channel before, I'd appreciate if you would look at some of my videos, and if you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Y'all have a great day, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye now.